Hi students, welcome to the cbse chemistry lecture series. In this video, we are going to see in organic chemistry important name reactions. First we take the acylation. What is an acylation reaction? Normally, the acyl groups like RCO or ARCO, these groups are reacting with a reactive hydrogen atom containing alcohols, phenols, amines. That type of reaction can be called as acylation reactions. So can you use, if you want to think about few compounds like phenols, alcohols, amines. So these are all containing active hydrogen atoms. When it reacts with an acyl group like RCOCl, these are all acyl groups. RCOCl, or you can take RC double bond O, C double bond O, R. This is called acetic anhydride. This is called acetyl chloride. So these are the compounds we are going to reacting with each other in the presence of base like pyridine as a base with the acetyl chloride. Suppose if it is an acidic anhydride, we are using sometimes acids as a catalyst. Suppose if we are using in the place of amines, amines itself is a base, therefore no need of what catalyst is needed. So let us discuss one by one these things. Now let us take a reactions in the presence of a base. You can take a acetyl chloride CH3COCl. This is an acetyl chloride. When it reacts with a alcohol, I am writing in a reverse manner, OH CH2CH3 in presence of a base. Normally you can use a pyridine is a strong base. This will replace this hydrogen and Cl and gives the compound CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3, which gives an ester. What is the name of this ester? Is nothing but ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl acetate is a common name. Ethyl ethanoate is a APAC name. At the same time, if you are using acetic anhydride in the presence of alcohols, similarly what it is in the presence of pyridine as a catalyst, CH3CO C2H5 plus CH3COOH. In both the cases we are using base as a catalyst. So the next other examples we are going to see, sometimes we can also use in the presence of acids. You can think about acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. When it reacts with the phenol CH5OH in the presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid, a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives a phenyl acetate. So this is called phenyl acetate. So here in this case, we are using sulfuric acid as a catalyst. A few drops is enough to catalyze the reactions. Suppose in the case of amines we are using, so you can take a acetic anhydride with ethylamine CH3 CH2 NH2. This amines also containing active hydrogen atom that can be replaced. It gives a compound CH3CO NH CH2 CH3 plus CH3COH. Here how can you name this compound? This is a N-ethyl acetamide, or you can say ethanamide. So here why we are not using any catalyst? Because the amine itself is acts as a base. It will catalyze the reactions. So these are the acylation reactions. Next we can see benzylation reaction. Benzylation is also nothing but it reacts with a benzoyl group CCH5COCl. This is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. We can also react with what? You can take a COCl. When it reacts with ethanol in the presence of basic like what? Either sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, you just remove the HCl. So this is a ethyl benzoate. Plus HCl. Suppose if we are reacting with an aniline, you can think about CCH5COCl plus aniline NH2 in the presence of a base, just to remove the HCl. Sorry, this is NH. It's a benzanilide. This reaction we can normally call as what? Scott and Bowman reaction. Even though it is in the acylation compounds like benzylation, this particular reaction is a Scott and Bowman reaction. So okay. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. Thank you, students.